Hey y'all. So if y'all don't know, I do work for a beauty company. I'm not gonna disclose their name, but if you know, you know. I have been in beauty management for the last 7 years of my life, and where I enjoy it, it does have its ups and it does have its downs. This past week, the company that I'm currently working for, we did have a sale going on, and my God, y'all do not even understand the half. So, the company that I work for, we do have a sale that occurs only twice out of the year. And out of the twice out of the year, and I totally understand, like, I get it. Like, the regular consumer does not get a discount normally. I get it, y'all. I get it. However, people come out in droves, droves for this makeup and skincare. You would not even understand. So from a day to day, I can come in the morning, try to get my affairs in order for operations, and we can have anywhere from 30 orders to 60 orders of like the buy online and pick up in store situation. And where I totally understand that, because I do order a lot of different things, 9 times out of 10, I don't be wanting to go in the store. I will if I have to. So I totally understand people doing the buy online and pick up in store. But child, if you ever, and I mean ever, have worked in a retail setting, you know exactly what I mean when I say I'm tired. Truth is, I am tired. And yes, options are few as well. These people are ordering things like this stuff is just gonna go out of style. I mean out of style. Like I don't be understand it's not a limited edition. This stuff is mass produced. Even if you don't get it right now, you're gonna be able to get it later. Don't go in the store bothering these people. If you know what you want, do the buy online, pick up in store option. Get your thing shipped to you. You know those things. We do have people, of course, all types of shoppers from all different backgrounds, all different ages, all different genders, or whatever. But I will say the craziest part is understanding and knowing how to balance managing with also helping your clientele. And also, of course, making sure the whole operation goes smoothly. The company that I do work for, they're extremely big on making sure that you take care of the customer first. And I mean, to be honest, with any company, you should be taking care of the customer first. But y'all, working with people is not, it's not for the weak. It's not for the faint at heart. And let's not talk about our employees calling in or showing up late for whatever reason and you having to like step in and fill in. So at the company, again, the company that I work for, I do manage the beauty side of things and like the front of house. So at any given moment, in the event that somebody walks in and they need a makeover done or they need a facial done or whatever the thing is, and we got space and opportunity, like I can just get another manager to step on the floor for a moment, oh, best believe we're going to get it done. So not only am I not on the floor, but still dealing with customer questions because they don't seem to understand that if I'm speaking with a client, don't walk up to me and ask me a question about what product is. I'm literally having to balance that, like keep a straight face, but also like deal with my client and make sure that they're getting all their needs met. Y'all, working for retail ain't for the weak. And being a manager is definitely not for the weak. Child, I have worked for so many different makeup companies, Fortune 500 companies, huge companies, and I will say the company that I work for now is a really good company. Um, However, the people be going crazy over their products. Like people was even calling in and asking if they could put things on hold so they can come and pick them up. Ma'am, sir, it gets to the point where I'm like, can y'all not just come in here and like shop for your things just like everybody else do? Like, I'm not quite understanding like why you feel as if that we need to be your personal shoppers. Like, we don't get paid for that. We get paid nice, but we don't get paid for that. So, ma'am, sir, all of y'all, just come in here and get your own stuff. So in between managing my employees, managing the floor, and also dealing with people who come in and steal. Oh my gosh. People coming in and trying to do fraudulent things. Like, I don't quite understand. I don't quite understand. So your girl is tired. I have been working literally all week. I finally was off today. Thank God. I go back tomorrow, but the sale is over tomorrow. So it should be a little bit more quiet in store, which thank God for Jesus. Because my dog's been hollering. My dogs have been hollering. And I got on some comfortable, like I've been wearing comfortable shoes. Typically I like kind of dress up a little bit more for work, so I have on cuter shoes, not as comfortable shoes. But child, during this sale I've been having on straight sneakers because what I don't have time to have is no bunions on my feet or for my feet to be hurting or having issues with my feet because I'm up on my feet all day. However, we did make it through. Thank sweet thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Thank God for Jesus. Like we are finally done. But I will say, if nothing else, thank y'all for coming in there and shopping, child. Because as long as y'all shopping, that means we got a job. That means we getting these bonuses. That means we getting these raises. So I don't mind that much, but ooh, yeah, I've been working in retail. I would say like different types of retail since I got out of college. And honestly, before I even went to college, I worked at Old Navy for a little minute right before I went off to school. But working in retail, you literally have to have a lot of you gotta have tough skin. You gotta have like understand how to have a poker face and not let the customers get to you, even when they're asking stupid questions, even when they're doing stupid things. Like you just gotta grit your teeth and go. But I guess it's all in being in retail. I wish somehow, some way. I've been saying a long time ago. I wish there was a way or someone that would come out with a movie that really details like how it is to work in retail. Or even like in college, I remember doing working as a bartender slash server. Even doing it, like somebody, the people need to know, like how they need to know how like y'all be treating people and like the questions that you all ask us and the way that you just govern yourself when you're in public. It is just, I'm telling you, it is a case that needs to be studied. Studied. And I have been in retail for so long. Oh, so long. I would say even before I went to college, during college, I was a server slash bartender. And even in that field, it is craziness that you deal with, like dealing with the general public. It really starts to make you really wonder how people are allowed to be out on their own, but and govern themselves with their own lives when they come in and ask and do some of the things that they do. I digress. I digress. However, the upside of things, being able to manage people, in a way of where you're not micromanaging and you're being of help and you're training them and you can see the fruits of your labor, that is so rewarding. Like so rewarding. I remember years ago, this company that I ended up still working for, I tried for years to come in as an artist and I could never get like a quote unquote full time position with them. But later on, I started to realize when I was blessed with another opportunity that was way above the role and the title of an artist position, it really made me really think about it. Like, what's for you is for you. And there's nobody and not a soul that can take that away from you. But I will say it does take a certain type of person. Also, a certain level of like just being able to be respectful of other people because there's so many different types of people. But being able to translate like the love and care that you have for people for the fact that you just want them to do good. You want them to do well and to grow in whatever ways they want to. But anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. This is the look that I created for you all this week. I hope that you all have an amazing week. And until next time, see you later.